Hi you guys, thanks for tuning in. This is NYLE LYNN, and my husband just purchased this ring light for me on Valentine's to upgrade my YouTube channel. I believe it is called IVISII or IVISII. It's a 19-inch ring light with a remote control and a stand for you can put an iPad with it, a phone, or your DSLR camera or your vlogging camera. And it is 60-watt bi-color with 4 other color filters. And it's great for live streaming, makeup tutorials, YouTube, actor self-tapes, TikTok, Zoom, photography. And it's really great if you're doing everything yourself because of the remote. So that's one of the reasons why we got it, because sometimes my husband's elsewhere shooting and he has all the equipment with him and I don't have any help. So this allows me to do everything on my own. We got it for $127.99 because I have Amazon Prime. It is originally $159.99. You will see it in my Amazon shop linked below, and we're going to unbox it now. So here we go. Here's the box.
Box in a box.
There it is, a box in a box. Okay, maybe here I'll remove. Should I remove this one or you wanna? Okay, I'm gonna take this away. We'll try not to. Okay, just leave that. You guys, I drop stuff. Do I always drop stuff during my YouTube? Even if someone else is helping me. Shane doesn't like to be on camera because he's a DP, which is a director of photography, so he does behind the scenes, but he's willing to be my hand model opening assistant today because I help him with so much stuff on set. Here it is. Comes in a big black bag. Check in the box to see if there's anything else. Okay, I'll take the box.
No, there is.
Oh, there is. There's something in there.
Stand.
Oh, the stand is in there still. Okay, so that's the stand. So you guys saw the details. This ring light is a really good value, I think, for all that you're getting. And we did a lot of research, and I had Shane look at it too, so that I wasn't like making a technical mistake, because obviously, you know, I'm more experienced with acting and makeup and hair and all that. So here's the stand. Here's the box.
Zipper.
And here's the ring light. Wow. All right, I'm gonna move that tripod out of the way here. It is big. All right, so it comes with a clear. Are those
Just diffusers, that's all.
diffuser? I was gonna say gel, but
They have the other ones.
the clear diffuser comes on it. But it's still, you don't need to change the diffusers all the time. That's for special lights. When you're just shooting, from what I understand, I haven't used it yet. This is just an unboxing. You use the remote to change from cool to warm. Is that correct, Shane?
That's correct, yes.
Okay. So he's just adjusting.
Here's your little screen.
So there's a screen in the back, and the great thing about this, you guys, it also charges your cell phone while you're shooting, and on that screen is going to display the color temperature and the light. And we're just going to unbox it right now. I'm going to set it up later to show you. I'm just going to unbox everything.
Here's your little photo remote.
So that's for, you can hook that up to your cell phone on Bluetooth. Is that correct?
Yes.
And it's a clicker. Now I have one of those for my phone, but just so that you know, it comes with it. It comes with a remote.
You really wanted.
So the frame is down there. Yeah. So that's the remote. And look at that. It's a remote. So that what that's gonna do is adjust here. I mean, you can turn it too.
Yeah, it takes the place of that.
But it takes the place of getting up from your seat where you're filming and having to adjust it. So you guys know when you're doing your self-tapes, whether you're a YouTuber or an actor doing an audition, you know, a glam gal doing a video that you don't want to get up and down once you're in your spot because then your hair's messed up and all that, and so you want to be able to use a remote. So he's putting the batteries in the remote. Oh, the batteries, can you show the battery to the remote? So that battery came with it, so you don't need to buy any batteries for the remote. Shane's putting it in right away. He's setting
Look
the
at that, sweet.
Great. Okay, what else do we have in here?
Power cord.
That's the power cord to well, you don't charge it, it just stays on.
So I don't see any batteries in there.
It does have the capacity
That's the
for
battery.
batteries.
Yeah, right here.
It has the capacity for batteries, and we already have those, and those are Sony batteries, right?
Yes.
So
FPN.
one of the reasons why we got this is that it has the capacity to be used outside because you can put a battery in this slot right here and in this slot right here.
Oh, here's those gels.
And these are the other filters. I don't think we need to open all of those.
Well, this just shows that you
But it shows you.
know,
I
you
can
have
have
different colors. Blue,
light. Now,
green, and red.
We call them gels in the industry. Like there's a gel back there, but these are actually blue filters.
Yeah,
right?
they just make the light obviously
So
blue.
it's just like the front
Yeah, there.
thing, like these, but they're different colors. Can I see the box again with the different colors? So you're gonna get a blue one. With a bunch of different
Well, there are 4 of them, obviously.
filters in it.
So instead of these, you just put these on here.
So this is great, you guys, because if you wanted to do a different look, now you would always keep your, that's green and red. You would always keep your key light sort of natural unless you really wanted to, you know, do something like Glengarry, Glen Ross lighting or the Matrix. I think they still have the key light being a natural light, like a white or a warmer, you know, not a specific gelled color. But you could then you could use this on the wall and like light up the back wall and use soft boxes in the front and have different color effects. So I'm going to go over here to Shane. He pulled this out. This is for your laptop. iPad. Sorry, not laptop. Your iPad. And that's, you know, any tablet you have that you can film on, you can use this for. Now, Shane is setting up the cord right here. He's untwisting it.
I'm just getting it ready for you.
He's getting it ready for me. This is the cell phone clamp?
Yeah, this is for the
Okay,
cell
can you
phone.
put that in frame below? There we go. So this is the cell phone clamp, and it rotates, I'm assuming?
Yeah, give me a second. I'm not really sure exactly how.
Yeah, it'll rotate. So you can film for Instagram or TikTok or for YouTube, acting reels.
I see. It screws open.
Lives.
Okay.
And it screws and moves around.
Yeah.
Okay, what else is in that box?
Another.
The remote.
Hold on, 1 second. This head here.
Okay, and that goes on the tripod or on the...
It can be used in a couple different places,
is
actually.
it what goes in the shoe?
Yeah, let me see what else you got here.
Is that what these things are called? There's little...
Yeah, you have 3.
So there's little...
Those are 3 different places to put
These like divots, they call them shoes?
cold shoes.
Cold shoes. When people are referring to a cold shoe, they're talking about these little divots here. And you put
Things
something like this.
Something like this could fit in there. You could tighten it, and then you utilize this 1/4-20 nut thing here. You put a camera on there. You could put this on there.
Put your cell phone clamp on there.
Sure, you can also put this on there. So you could literally have a phone and a camera at the same time on this.
Oh, it would fit.
Yeah.
A phone and a DSLR?
Yeah, you could.
Really?
You really could get away with that. You'd have to shift it over a little bit and make one a little higher.
So
but it
you
would
could
still
do
work.
an Instagram.
That's why they got something like this. Here you have an extension bar. Look at this. You can go like this.
Oh,
now,
wow.
now you can be way higher. You know?
So
Which is actually ideal. You really want the camera to be in the middle of the circle. That's how you really use a ring light.
Okay.
Ultimately, the closer you are to center, the better. That really is the best. To effectively use a ring light, that's how you really should do
So
it.
technically you could do like an Instagram live of your photo shoot.
I guess.
Maybe you guys. He's gonna hook up the. I think he's putting on. Here, let's move these out of the way. putting on another, what are these called, babe? Do you know?
It's just a ball thing. It just allows you. It allows you to like.
For the cell phone.
It allows you to like, you know, do what you want.
What is this other wire for?
What other wire?
This one.
That's the EU wire. This is not the American plug.
Okay, so you guys, that's good to know. So this works in Europe too. So if you had to travel internationally with your ring light, you know, or if you're from Europe and you're ordering it, it has an EU adapter.
This is ideal. This is where you want your camera, in the center.
You mean your cell phone?
Cell phone camera, anything that you like.
Okay.
Bear, what are you doing?
She's playing with the box. All right, so you're gonna put this right on here for me,
Sure.
and you might want to step to the side. So he's gonna put that right on there. Sorry for the background noise. Here, my dog Moxie is all about the Amazon boxes, so she's trying to chew some cardboard thing right now that we have discarded. Okay, great. And you want to step to the side, Shane?
I am.
So, you're gonna plug it in and everything.
Well, I don't know where to.
Well, it's right under the desk. He's gonna plug it in and everything. Okay. You can stay down there for the shot so nobody has to see you on camera. He really doesn't like to be on camera. Okay, so he's plugging it in. That's fine. It's fine.
What was that?
I think it was probably some piece of contraption. So here you guys go. Here it is. It's really big. That was the laptop, the tablet clip. And I have a bunch of different backgrounds. Excuse the background. I've been trying to upgrade my YouTube background for you guys. So I've been playing with lights. That's why they're stuck on the wall there and all kinds of things. Whoa! How bright is that? That is so bright. Can you adjust the different colors? But don't get in the frame again.
I know. Just give me a second.
Oh, I can do it. Here, let me do it.
You're gonna like that. Niall's gonna like that.
Okay, so I just go up and down like this. Oh, you guys, look at this. It just goes like that. How awesome is that? You can go bright, dark. That's how you do it. So I can be sitting in my chair, which is actually going to be over here, you know, because I would turn this whole thing around. This is just for the demo. And then I can turn it on and then adjust.
And also the temperature.
The temperature meaning the color temperature, not the actual heat. So it adjusts.
What's that button? I don't know yet.
This is color temperature?
No, it's channel. What's this?
That's brightness.
Oh, these are
Woo,
percentages. What's that? Don't know. Oh, that's on off.
I think that adjusts
percentage.
the
Oh,
color.
you push this middle button first.
And then it makes it warm or cool?
Yeah, that's how it does it.
Okay, so explain it to me. We gotta turn it off for a second because it's too bright. So explain it to me.
I'll have to turn it back on. Here,
Okay, but just explain it to me first
All right,
before
first.
turning it on.
First, I'm gonna just make it dimmer.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not working. I'm on I must be on the wrong channel. Hold on.
Sorry, you guys, this is brand new. This wasn't supposed to be a demo. It's just an unboxing, but we'll give you a little bit of demo here.
Shit. It's on the wrong channel. I don't know what channel it should be on. Hold on. Give me a second. Just give me a second.
Okay, Shane's gonna figure it out.
Try to figure it out.
Maybe turn it back on and off again.
Yeah, you're right.
That's always the solution, you guys. Reboot. It's decided it wants to stay on. I think we pressed too many things.
I think so too. Channel.
Moxie is crumbling.
Oh, it might be A. It's
Okay,
A.
there we got adjustment again.
Okay, so bring it back down to 24. All right, so now for color, you have to push that middle button first. Then see how it blinks? Now you can change the color. See how it changes?
Oh wow, warm light. That's great. So
Quite
say
a
it
large
again.
range too. That goes all the way.
Say it again. What you did?
It just pushed the middle button first, and then it blinks, and it lets you know you can change the color temperature.
Okay, great.
Oh, wait,
that's
I'm doing
too
the
bright.
temperature. That's the
That's
temperature.
too bright.
I mean, that's the brightness. My bad.
Don't do the brightness.
It has to be blinking. See how it's blinking? Now you can change that.
All right.
In this room, the best is like 4,000 probably. Yeah, 4,000.
Yeah, you don't want it too bright.
No, it's not about the brightness, the color.
So you guys look at this beautiful ring light.
It is.
So I'm
It
gonna
is quite a ring light, actually.
film some videos with it. Maybe, you know, not right now, but I will. This will be my next thing that I add to my YouTube setup, which I'm trying to upgrade here for you guys. I know I used to just work right up against that wall with nothing on it, but we moved everything around. That's one of the movies that I was in. And there's Audrey Hepburn over there, of course. So thanks for tuning in. This is NYLE LYNN. I believe you call this ring light the IVISII, and it's the 19-inch one. It's on Amazon. The link is below. I think this is a great ring light for actors and content creators. And it has a lot of different options. And my favorite thing is the remote. And that was my absolute must, because as you know, when you get on your mark and you're in the zone and you're ready to turn on the light, you've already rehearsed, whether it's a monologue or some, you know, beauty tutorial. I don't rehearse my beauty tutorials, but people do. You've already rehearsed what you're going to talk about, and then you want to turn on the light. You don't want to blind yourself, but you're in your spot and you don't want to move. So the remote was essential to me. And also the fact that it has all these options, and it can charge my phone while I'm shooting on it. And you guys know I'm still shooting on my old iPhone 8, but you know, one upgrade at a time. I'm trying to upgrade light, and then I also have sound. I'm not using the sound right now, but I will be using it. So thanks for tuning in. This is NYLE LYNN. The link will be below. Please shop through my Amazon shop. It helps me to create more videos and get them out to you on this channel. So thanks, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for tuning in. This is NYLE LYNN. Lighting is an actress's best friend.